Earning money from a Facebook group involves leveraging communities that you've built to create value for both your members and yourself. So, one effective way is to generate income by affiliate marketing, by sharing affiliate links to products or services that align with your group's interest. Okay? You can earn commissions when members make purchases. It's important to share products that genuinely benefit the group, so trust is maintained. Another method is by offering paid memberships or subscriptions. You can create a premium section within your group where members pay for exclusive content, resources, or access to expert advice. This could include offering specialized courses, tutorials, or in-depth articles that cater to the group's niche. Now, selling your own products or services is another option. If you have a business, if you have a business, you can promote your products directly within the group, whether it's physical items, digital goods, or services like consulting. So if done thoughtfully, this can be a seamless way to monetize your group. All right. So additionally, hosting events such as workshops, webinars, or meetups can be a great revenue stream, and you can charge them for access to these events, providing valuable content in exchange. So throughout all monetization efforts, it's essential to maintain transparency and ensure that the content remains relevant to the group's interest. Let me know if this helped.